In this video, I will show how to use Google Translate. So open any browser and search Google Translate. Now here, click on this Google Translate. Here, write your message or anything. It will auto detect and then you can change into Spanish, Arabic and a list of languages you will find there. You can listen like this. Also, you can translate image by just upload your image or browse your file. And also you can select document and website. So these all options, guys, you can try. You can directly download translation, select your required language. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.